Hello everyone, this is Raja Ramesh and welcome back to TypeScript and Playwright Journey. In the previous video, we have covered how to install TypeScript. In this video, we will see how to create a new TypeScript project, open it in VS Code, create a tsconfig file, create a new TypeScript file and run it. First, create an empty folder in one of the directory you wish. For example, I am creating a new folder called My First Project in one of the folder in my system. Once this is created, open Visual Studio Code, go to File menu, select the option Open Folder and browse for the newly created folder. Select that folder and click the Select Folder button. It will open your folder in Visual Studio Code. We opened project folder in Visual Studio Code. Now let us create a TypeScript config file, tsconfig.json, which controls how TypeScript compiles your code. For that, open terminal and run the command tsc space hyphen hyphen init and hit enter. It will create a new JSON file called tsconfig.json and you can see that same file in your project. We'll cover this file in detail in separate video. Now we will see how to create a new TypeScript file and run it. This is the Explorer and this is your project folder. Right click here and create new file. Provide some name for your file. I am giving welcome.ts. Make sure you give .ts so that it will be created as a TypeScript file. And you will see welcome.ts is open. We can write our code in this window. I will write let message, which is of type string, equal to, and we are saving some value into this hello world. And we will write a line to log this on console. Console.log message. That's all. We are good with our first TypeScript file. Now we can run this file to see the message hello world in the terminal. For that, simply run a command called ts-node space your file name. And you will see the message on the console, hello world. Great. With this, we are done with creating our first TypeScript project, first TypeScript file, and we learned how to get some message onto the console. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.